To my curiosity, I just asked them like if we can go with some derma rollers during this procedure of applying minoxidil on my hair. So they said it's been like 2 months after the surgery, and she said that it's 2 to 3 months that is the shedding phase. So she was happy to see the results of my head. The day will not be far away when this QHD will be recommended as the number one transplant solution. I was in a dilemma that whether I should be going with this hair transplant solution or not, because there were multiple thoughts, multiple doubts in my mind, and I was not getting a proper response with many of the colleagues or people or the so-called clinics which were undergoing this surgery, because somehow something was lagging. I was not getting that vibe. Okay, someone has said that there's a problem, that you should take the decision. Whether it is good or bad, that time will decide. So hello friends, good afternoon. My name is Sadu. I'm from Srinagar, Kashmir. Currently I'm hailing in Pune city. Today was my second PRP and I have come after 40-45 days. Again, I have taken a gap of 40-45 days. Like previously only, and there was no pain on my skull, just the pricks of the needle. All went well. I'm very much thankful to the QHT that they every time they tell and they inquire whether I'm facing any issues related to the procedure, or they automatically give me the information about what needs to be done post this PRP. So everything was briefed with me. Today also everything went fine. To my curiosity, I just asked them like if we can go with some derma rollers during this procedure of applying minoxidil on my hair. So they said it's a part of development. It should not be covered in this session, and they said they would. It is definitely in the part of their development plan, and they might include it in the near future. And after my this PRP session, I went straight away had a word with my doctor, and she told that it's been like 2 months after the surgery, and she said that it's 2 to 3 months that is the shedding phase. So she was happy to see the results of my head, and she said that you should come again for the third PRP. She said the growth is going very well, and she also suggests me that you need not worry about this derma roller thing, that post 6 months we'll see if there is a requirement, then we'll have it. Otherwise, there is no need. It's been like 3 months now that my procedure of this hair transplant went. So most probably like in a day or two, it will be complete 3 months, and with a duration of like 3 months, I have undergone 2 PRP sessions. So overall, I will tell that my confidence level has started slowly but gradually increased, because day by day, when I see myself in the mirror, I get that confidence. Yes, whatever they had told me, whatever QHT had promised me, and whatever they had told me that this would be the result after this so and so time. So all is going according to the plan. Just one thing we need to be very careful, that we have to, and there's no other option, we have to trust the procedure, the process, and you are already in the safe hands already when you are heading towards QHT for your hair transplant, because it's a dedicated team of experts, professionals, and till date, they are giving outclass services, wonderful services, and more people should opt for this QHT. The day will not be far away when this QHT will be recommended as the number one transplant solution, and hopefully we'll have to see that in the upcoming future. The journey is very much progressive, and daily we see many people coming from far off the places just to get their hair transplant done with the QHT. Yes, I'm one of those. I'm also a candidate who has taken the procedure from QHT, and so far I am very much happy. And eventually, with the 6 to 9 months, when I will be covering more in the upcoming sessions, you will see more and more progress on my end, and naturally the confidence level will also go up. Now coming on to my condition of the donor area post hair transplant surgery, it was like 15-20 days, as I can remember, that I told my parents that if you can see at the back of my hair, what do you see the progress? They said it's coming up slowly. And when my first PRP came, so doctor, she checked on me personally, and she saw that the growth was good and the donor area was also healing properly. At that time, it was to a quite good expectation, and she said that yes, your donor areas will be filling up fast, and hopefully I'll have my second session in the 6 months. So we'll take the remaining hair from the donor area again, because as we can see, these were her words, that we can see the donor area is getting up filled properly. So after my second PRP session, she again checked and she said yes, the growth, as I said, that it was going good at that time. So again, this time also the growth is very well, and it has covered fully the back of the donor area, I mean the head. They always go for multiple follicles, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, which only comes only from the back of the head, that is from the donor area. So yes, the donor area has, if you can see, has fully grown. If you can see, it is all good. And I would like to tell you more about this also. Like today is my 3 months. I have been properly following medications, the ointment, the solutions, and shampooing in an alternate days. Plus minoxidil I am applying twice a day, and the spray solution that I was told that every night I have to spray 5 sprays every day. Sometimes I got it skipped, and but we should not do that. It's not a good practice. But anyhow, I'm very much thankful that I'm being considering myself lucky as well, that despite of skipping this due to some reasons, because I was getting a continuous itching on my head, I just skipped for 2-3 times. Other than that, I am continuously applying it, and that is the reason I am getting good results on my head, and the donor area is getting upfilled. Plus I am taking the medications of Inesil after my dinner and the multivitamins after my lunch, so that I am not skipping at any cost. But I'll try to give the consistency to the spray solution as well as, and that is the way, and that is the reason I am getting these results. Regarding taking the decision that whether I should go for this hair transplant, first thing first, I was in a dilemma that whether I should be going with this hair transplant solution or not, because there were multiple thoughts, multiple doubts in my mind, and I was not getting a proper response with many of the colleagues or people, or the so-called clinics which were undergoing this surgery, because somehow something was lagging. I was not getting that vibe, okay, if I do this there would be no problem and I would get the best result. But now what I think is that the 3 months back I had taken that decision of coming to Uttarakhand clinic in Haridwar. I found that this decision was right and perfect, because as you can see, the results are underway. But so far what the results I have got, they are very much good, and they will hopefully increase in the upcoming time. The results will be better and better. Someone has said that there's a problem that you should take the decision, whether it is good or bad, that time will decide. So I think I followed that thing, and I took the decision that I'll come to QHT. After going through many clinics and speaking to many doctors, surgeons, somehow in various parts, you can say in Chandigarh, Jammu and Kashmir, my native place, and to Delhi as well. But the thing, it was different here, and I had seen their reviews on the social media platforms. So what they are giving, what they are delivering, one can see in the results after the surgery. We see most people currently, the younger generation, they are facing the problem of this baldness, early hair fall issues and all those. So I would consider myself that okay, my age was little on the 36, 37 side, but still I undergone this. And the reason the young generations are facing in their early adulthood is that they are not following the proper etiquettes, the proper guidelines, or proper, you can say, following a healthy lifestyle. What I can say, like, you should prefer a healthy balanced diet, give proper oiling and proper nourishment to the hair, avoid chemicals, whether in the form of dyes, colors, or some other activities. This helps in getting the hair, the density of the hair day and day loose or weak, you can say. We should avoid these things. As you can see, many parents, they are coming with their children. You can see the father's baldness has now caused have come in the age of 50, 55 plus, but their children's age, children age having this baldness issue is just like 20, 25. So the reason is that our parents, our elders, they were following the proper etiquettes, proper manners, and they were following a basic healthy lifestyle. This was the result. The proper circulation was there in the head, and the hair is just like a crop. How you feed it, it will show you the result. Avoid all those things. Avoid shared helmets, use towels and all that cosmetic product of each other. Follow a basic healthy lifestyle. If you're landing here in QHT, then you're least worried, because QHT is giving best service. They are giving the best top-notch service. They are excellent in their department. So they are collaborating as a team and they are giving the output, giving the best possible service one can have in terms of hair transplant. So I am very much thankful to the team of QHD from each and every person which has given the service in this hair transplant journey. So I think this is a good initiative in which a person can share his doubts and whatever challenges if he is facing. There is no challenge as of now for me, but in future if I might face, I will share definitely on this platform. And also in my coming PRP sessions, like I am doing my previous sessions also, I am doing this session so that you come to know that what I am undergoing through and what is my progress, what is my challenge if any, and how this journey is going, just to give an audience, the people, that there is no harm in undergoing this procedure because it is totally safe. It's a team of qualified doctors to supervise you, and they are properly in touch with you, and the support the QHD has provided, whether in terms of phone or internet, it is fabulous because they always get in touch with you. They always inquire that whether you are following the proper medication, following the proper procedures. Even after surgery also, they recommend and they strictly advise you to follow these things which you must do, which helps in this journey better, because it's their time as well, our time as well, money, patience, everything is invested in this journey. So we should be sincere enough and we should share proper feedback and proper guidance. We should follow them. Then the result is in front of you all. So in my coming PRP sessions, 3rd, 4th and 5th, I'll be sharing more details and more updates with you. Till then, stay tuned.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। और ध्यान रहे बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें, जिससे हमारे हर वीडियो का अपडेट आपको समय समय पर मिलता रहेगा।